Okay. And then we turn all the inserters. Oh, that's the wrong way.
Oh wow, look at them go.
Look at them go. And now we wait for the rocket to be built.
How long is that gonna take? Are you okay?
Am I okay? Yeah, no, I'm just getting over something.
It might, only take a little bit. Maybe
It
like.
may take 60 hours. Who knows?
Well, it's making the parts at 0.18 per second, and it needs 100 parts. So,
So 60 hours.
so it'll take like,
A couple minutes.
yeah, a couple minutes, like more than
Yeah,
more
60
than
hours.
5 minutes.
Okay. Yay! Now we just stand here.
Katie, I got Black Ops so we can play zombies. It's gonna take 60 hours to download.
Wait, how is it still taking 60 hours?
Dude, I don't know.
It was 60 hours last night, wasn't it?
Where's my controller? To even start the game, to even like open it up, it's gonna take 28 hours.
28?
To even like be able to open the game.
Danny, what the fuck?
Oh,
Dude, I don't know. 63
that's
hours.
not.
It actually has increased.
Danny, what's your internet speed?
Dude, I don't know.
Like, is it
But
actually like two bits a second? Like, what's happening?
but guys, the zombies base install is waiting to be installed.
Wait, so it's
See, I'm confused. Are you guys playing zombies or Cold War?
Cold War zombies.
Cold War, yes.
Oh.
Let's see. Where's network? Test internet connection.
And
Why is like scary music playing?
that's just Factorio.
Yeah, that's just the Factorio soundtrack, I fear.
It's scaring me.
What do you mean?
It's so peaceful,
No, it's not.
but it is.
No.
Sometimes I like to just like walk around and I like turn like my headphones all the way up and just like immerse myself in like the factory sounds.
Bro, you need help.
What?
this music is so ominous.
What do you mean?
What does bro mean by this?
Oh my god. Connection speed, download 6.7
6.7?
Mbps.
Brother.
Oh, that's not.
That's download?
Yep.
Holy fuck. How are we even gonna play?
Oh, it'll be fine once it's downloaded.
Are you sure?
Yeah, it will.
Okay. I'm really scared.
This is scary.
This is
Like-
scary like I'm scared.
I'm scared.
Bro, like, sorry.
No,
Like-
you're just scary.
Wesley, have you looked in the mirror?
That's crazy.
Blueberries, girl, blueberries.
What do you mean?
What does bro mean by this?
What does
Oh,
bro
we all know what I
by
mean.
this?
That's what's so funny.
What does bro mean by this?
Alright.
Oh, guys, don't worry, it's decreased. Don't worry.
Yay.
Like your speed decreased or the time?
The speed.
Oh, okay.
Oh, okay.
Dude, it's because
I had hope for like a second.
no, it's because our Wi-Fi like does genuinely just like suck. Like we have we have like the most dog shit Wi-Fi anyone can have. Like God forbid someone's watching TV and also using their phone at the same time.
Wait, what?
Yeah,
Watching TV and using your phone takes down the internet?
at the same time.
That's like what I do every time I watch TV.
Yeah,
Wait,
like
what do you mean, like using your phone, like on a phone call, or like?
no, like say you're watching TV and also like looking at something, like looking up an actor.
Uh,
That's what I mean by that.
that's really scary.
I'm scared.
Like under the modules.
Hmm?
You're like under them.
Well, yeah.
Was it?
We are
Hit it!
all
Watch
linked into
out!
the module. All hail productivity module tier 3.
Yay! After we're done this, I should automate them.
Katie, when do you start research?
I have to email Kurt because again, like
He still hasn't.
he still hasn't given me a straight answer. Like, holy fuck! I'm still stuck on. Yeah, well, like we can be flexible because I like to read in the morning. Like, what do you read?
He likes to read. What's so wrong with that? I emailed Goodson because I was supposed to talk to him on Friday about research, but like he wasn't there. And I started off being like, "Sorry, Dr. Goodson. Like I tried to find you, but your door's closed." And then I went home. Bro emailed me back. He said, "Nope, it was my fault." Felix, like, what?
What did Bro mean by this?
Nope, it was my fault.
Yeah, like we kind of did like run into him in the hallway. We're like at 89% rocket.
Oh, 91 now.
Oh. Oh, yes.
Oh, guys, it's almost time.
Danny, aren't you glad you could be here?
No, I like when these things go off, not gonna lie. This is like the only good part.
And we had just the perfect amount of stuff to launch it.
Mostly you're gonna miss it.
It's done.
Yay!
Our masterpiece.
Stop, it's so sexy.
Okay. Do you want to do the honors?
What do I even do?
You click on it, and then... Oh. Can't send an empty rocket. Wait, oh. Then, here. Put a fish in it.
What?
Did you give me a fish?
Yeah,
Oh,
I
yes,
give
you
you
did.
fish.
Okay. I'm gonna send 61 fish.
Perfect. And then you press the
Do
lock
I-
button.
Hold on, Mom. I'm watching a rocket launch. Yeah. I'm on
And here
the
we go.
phone. Okay.
Yay!
Sorry. Can I leave this?
Yeah, you
Just
can.
in case.
Yeah, you can. No problem. Okay.
Yay! We did it!
Factory.
Yay!
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 Wait, stop.
Did you win?
Yeah, we just won.
Yeah. Time played 49 hours.
Dear Lord.
You should take a screenshot of that. I already closed it
I did.
by accident.
No, I did. Yeah.
Perfect.